So testing out this new DJI Neo.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
This is the DJI Neo. First time out of the box flying it. Just checking out see what it's like. Fantastic night. Down the beach. September. This is Indian summer. I think we've hoped for. 22 degrees today, but the weather's been great. Awesome. Look at the views. Sunset. Fantastic. Just walk along here, see if this drone follows me. Pretty good job. Now you can fly this drone via the buttons on top of the drone with no smartphone or controller support. Or you can fly the drone with a compatible smartphone or one of the RCN controllers or RC controllers. It also has FPV compatibility and DJI Goggles 3 are supported also. Now there is an option on the DJI Fly app on your phone to record audio. This will also mute the propeller noise in the background. If you listen to the clips here, I did feel the audio sounded very crackly and tinny. Possibly because I was holding it too far away from my mouth. There's also a lot of background noise with the wind, etc. Or maybe it was an issue with my phone. Overall, it did sound distorted. I was only focusing in two modes on the drone today. One was follow me, another was direction track, where I would walk away from the drone and also walk towards the drone and also zigzag in and out. I was very impressed with the drone's tracking capability. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised with the drone's image quality. This little drone films at 4K 30. However, out of the box settings, the sharpness is a little too detailed. This one's direction track is way forward to the drone. Flies away for me. Pretty cool. Should look away. I did buy this drone bundle with the RCN controller 3 and I reduced the sharpness by 2. Also, the white balance increased to 5600 to give that warmer effect. Overall, the image quality looks really good. These settings can be adjusted in the Fly app by entering the auto section and changing it to Pro. Now this little drone comes in at the grand weight of 135 grams compared to other DJI drones such as the Mini 3 and Mini 4 weighing in around 249. My only concern is the drone's stability in windy conditions. Overall, I'm really impressed with this little drone. I've only skimmed the surface and its functions. However, it does feel like a toy compared to the other DJI products, but I think there's a lot of fun to be had with this one.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.